Hello, this is Maria, and today at our School of SAB we are going to train our eye-hand coordination with a sequence of quick sketching exercises. We will start from these simple ones like fruits and bottles and end up sketching human figures for the last 30-40 minutes of the class. Feel free to use either watercolor with large brushes today or chalks or charcoal. These materials will help you concentrate since they're very hard to erase and will also help you cover large areas quickly. Remember, we are not drawing from the outline, we are drawing from the silhouette today. Please do not expect a nice artwork today. The most valuable thing that you'll be bringing home is a new way of looking at things and your confidence in seeing proportions and representing them in a correct way. So what is it, that new way? It's actually that short initial glance that you use to inspect an object and recognize it. It's when you see the whole object from top to bottom and wait on the relationship of parts in it. In your regular life, you use it for a quick second, but you will need to prolong it for the whole duration of your sketch. How you do it? Just look at the whole thing together, avoid focusing on any detail. Rather imagine that you just cannot focus your eyes today and see a blurry shape instead of the object. The same kind of glance helps you see not just the relationship of sizes, but also values and colors of your work. In fact, any drawing or painting you make is a combination of silhouettes, right? It's a two-dimensional thing, and it can control your viewer's emotion if you place them wisely. Alright, let's start already. Select a fruit, take a piece of sketching paper and put the top and bottom marks on it. Stick to these marks. It is very important that from the day one you learn to control the size and the position of your object in paper. Then connect the marks with a vertical shape and start adding to this shape on the sides so it finally looks just like your apple. Repeat it for another fruit of a slightly more complex shape. Spend about 1-2 minutes on each sketch. For the next sketch, find a simple symmetrical object like a bottle. After finding the top and bottom marks, find the line of symmetry and the area where the body of the bottle meets the neck. And gradually make the drawing of your bottle look like the original one. Next step, find an object within a regular shape. It helps to imagine all the outstanding parts of the object connected or imagining it wrapped in a bag. Then start dividing it into smaller, simple shapes, one division at a time, while looking at the whole object at the same time and keeping it slightly out of focus. For the objects with the outstanding parts or groups of objects, it is also very helpful to compare the negative space between these parts. Looks like I need to slightly correct mine. So, if you follow this algorithm and continue breaking your silhouette into smaller and smaller ones, comparing them all the time, you will end up with a very detailed and accurate copy of your reference. I drew this picture just to prove it. So it's time to start working on the people. Can be figurines, printed references, or even real people. If you're happy with your silhouette, yes, you can add a few details here and there, but really the silhouette is the priority. Alright, let's get to work. Good luck with your sketches today.